for your love, okay? Take on me. Take me on. I've been on in a day or two. So needless to say, I'm all to ends, but I'll be stumbling away, slowly learning that life is okay. Say after me, it's no better to be safe than sorry.